Did you know that one NFT platform has estimated that NFTs have a potential to grow to $3.6 million in revenue by 2023? So if you think NFTs are dead, then think again. Welcome to the Brutal Investor channel, guys. I'm the Brutal Investor and my goal is to make you guys rich, brutally rich. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos and ping the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever you upload cool videos like this. So in this video, we're going to talk about something a little different. We're going to talk about a new drop that's launching on Opensea pretty soon. In fact, this is a very well-known and expected project that has been pending for quite some time. And this project is called Patchworks by Kaale. So this is a project that has gotten a lot of attention in the NFT space. And today in this video, I'm going to do my 2 cents for you guys so that I can tell you guys whether I feel like it's a good project that you need to participate or whether it's something that you can pass on, right? So if you want to watch more about Patchworks, stay tuned to this video. So if you're trying to get more information about this platform, I suggest you to go to Opensea's platform and find the drops information. And this is the first project that they are launching on 2023 on Opensea as a drops project. So as you can clearly see, this is a verified platform by Opensea and they are a part of the Cameo Pass NFT collection. If you guys don't know what Cameo Pass is, if you can click on Cameo Pass link on Opensea and find that they are a separate NFT project. So people who have held Cameo Pass NFTs, can mint the allow list NFTs for Patchworks, right? So that's the quick gist of this, and the NFT is going to get launched on January 10th. So if you're watching this video right now, you still have time to decide whether you want to participate in the public sale. For people who have held the Cameo Pass NFTs in the past and you're watching this video, you may be eligible for an allow list for this project. So you can check that as well on their platform. So now to talk about the collection itself. So this is a collection of about 15 unique NFT artworks from noteworthy artists from the NFT space. And this is co-curated by a person called Andrew Wang, who's one of the most well-known Web3 storytellers as well as NFT figures on the Twitter space. And the main thing about this launch is that you are not actually minting the NFT itself, you're actually minting a pass that will give you access to an NFT. So when you mint with this platform, you basically get a mint pass for eventually getting the NFT in the future itself, right? So you're not actually getting the NFT right away when you participate in this NFT launch. You're actually getting the mint pass, which will be burnt in order to give you the NFT collection, one of the NFTs from the collection in the future. So the main benefit of this platform is that you will basically be eligible to get a small portion of the NFT. So since there is 15 unique artwork, each of the 15 artwork can be further subdivided into 30 to 40 unique one-of-one pieces. So if you get an NFT, you're basically getting access to a small piece of the 30 to 40 pieces per unique NFT. So each subdivided NFT is what you'll be getting on your wallet when you eventually burn your pass and get access to the NFT. So that's the quick gist of this, guys. You can find more information as I have on screen as well as on the OpenSea platform itself if you want to learn more about what this project is about. So now to talk about the mint information itself. So as I mentioned during the beginning of the video, if you have a Cameo Pass NFT, you are eligible to be minting this NFT through the allow list. So if you mint this NFT through the allow list, the minting for the allow list section begins on January 10th at 12 p.m. EST. So you need to make sure that if you are eligible, you can set a reminder through OpenSea itself, and you can add it to your calendar if you want to mint this through the allow list section. And you need to basically pay 0.089 ETH for the allow list. So that's the price for the allow list. And the public mint, which is for people who don't have the Cameo Pass NFT, can basically pay 0.2 ETH per mint on January 10th at 3 p.m. EST. So this is the timing of the mint itself, and you can have a maximum of 2 mints per wallet for the public mint, and it seems like there's no real limit for the allow list, because if you have more Cameo Pass NFTs, you can get 1 mint per Cameo Pass. So if you have 10 Cameo Pass NFTs, for example, you will get 10 allow lists, and there's no real limit for how many Cameo Pass mints that you can have, and how many allowed list you can basically get. But for public mint, you can only mint 2 per wallet. So that's the limit here, and you can find this information once again on Opensea. So now to talk about the team members themselves, you can again see the team section on Opensea, and the main person who is the co-founder of Cameo Pass is Oliver Maroney, and you can find his Twitter account here as well. He's a popular, well-known figure on crypto space. Then other co-founder is Ben Eisner, who's also the co-founder of Cameo Pass, and the main person who is the co-creator of Patchworks itself is Andrew Wang, and all of their Twitter accounts are available here for you to basically do your own research on. So for people who have more questions about this mint itself, they have an FAQ section on Opensea, which you can basically access. So we'll go through some of the questions that people have in general. So when we participate in this platform, what are we actually minting? So we are basically minting Patchworks Mint Pass, which is not the actual NFT itself. You're just getting a mint pass, which will give you access to full art drops in the near future, which means using this mint pass, you will basically gain access to the actual NFT artwork in the future. The timeline is not mentioned as of now, but when you mint through Opensea, you're actually getting the pass and not the NFT itself. The mint pass will act as a burnable token for the art piece you choose. So again, you will be able to choose an artwork in the future, but for which you need to already have the Patchworks mint pass, which is what you're going to be minting on January 10th. So how do I get on the allow list? So the allow list is designated for Cameo Pass set holders. So again, if you have previously had Cameo Pass NFTs, then you will be eligible. You might be eligible. So if you see here, people who hold GM, GD, and GN pieces. So these are pieces that are available in the Cameo Pass NFTs itself. So if you hold these particular pieces, you will be eligible to participate in the allow list for Patchworks. There is a snapshot of holders to be taken on 9th of January, which will be a day before the mint itself. So if you want to buy if you want to buy the Cameo Pass NFTs itself, you still have time till tomorrow, right? If you're watching this video right now when it's launched, you still have time till tomorrow to buy these NFTs for Cameo Pass. And if you see, the snapshot will be taken on 9th of January. So if you purchase a set of passes and hold it on through 9th of January, you will be given an allow list spot for this mint. So again, make sure that if you are trying to buy the Cameo Pass NFT, you need to hold either the GM, GD, or GN pieces, not the other ones, right? And the third question is basically, are any items reserved for the team? So again, they did say yes. 45 items will be minted for the Cameo Pass team members. So it's not really a fully fair launch. There will be some pre-minting of the NFT for the team members itself. So you need to be very careful to see when those particular founder NFTs will be available for sale after the launch. So that's going to determine the price and the success of this project. So if you want more information about this NFT, as well as information on the website and Discord as well, you can access the social information here, which is basically available on the Opensea's main page for Patchworks. If you click on the 3 dots on the bottom right corner, as I'm showing on the screen right now, you can access their Etherscan, their website, the Discord, which you can verify you can basically see that the ownership has been verified, and the official Twitter account for the project itself. So now to throw my 2 cents on whether I personally will participate or whether I recommend anyone to participate in this project or not. First of all, this is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. If you guys want to participate in this project, by all means go ahead. But my personal opinion is that I don't think this is a project that I will be participating in, because the first thing is I don't really have an allow list, because I don't hold a Cameo Pass NFT. But even if I have held that, if you see, the Cameo Pass NFT is not really doing well right now, just like any other NFT projects right now. So this is a very risky attempt to make any money. And if you do want to invest in a project like this one, I suggest you to buy it in the secondary once the NFT's price has crashed, because usually the mint price in the bear market is going to be above the trading price. So if you're trying to buy this token during the mint price, you'll probably buy it at a higher price than what it will be fairly valued at later on. So this is the worst time to buy this project, and I don't think this project has a lot of information about the roadmap on their website, as well as what they're planning to do for the community. It's just another mint that's available for people who already held the Cameo Pass NFT. So I'm not really a big fan of this, and I don't think this project is going to do well immediately after launch, because if you see, for the public, you need to pay 0.2 ETH plus gas fees, and I feel like this project will start dumping right away after its launch, and maybe the floor price may hit somewhere between 0.01 ETH or even less than that if a lot of people start dumping this. And also, you need to bear in mind that 45 mints will be reserved for the team members, and we don't really know if there's any vesting schedule for those. And in my personal opinion, I feel like the team members will immediately list their NFTs for sale. Not all of them, but a decent amount of found NFTs will probably be listed for sale right away after launch, and that will further decrease the price of the NFTs, right? So if you do want to buy this NFT project, by all means go ahead. It's not financial advice. I personally would not buy this NFT. I feel like there are better ways to invest your money, and if you do want to participate, I suggest you to do that maybe after the NFT has been launched, because the floor price will significantly drop, and you'll probably be able to get it at much cheaper price than the mint price or even the allowed list price, right? So again, that's just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money onto this token. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, guys, and if you want to watch my previous videos, I have the links here, which you can check it out. And if you like more content like this about NFTs, please leave them in the comment section below, and stay tuned for more videos.